Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how much I made on first month since I got monetized on YouTube, because this was one of questions which many of you are asking who are with me already longer. My channel, as you know, at the date of recording of this video is 8 months. I got monetized 3 months back, but very first month I got monetized only for a couple of days, and I will not be wasting your time as always as in any of my videos, and I will get straight into analytics. Here you can see very first months, but in very first months I got €34, but I got monetized only for a couple of days, as you see, from 24th May, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th and 29th, 30th and 31st. So couple of days I got monetized only in my very first month. But I will also show you the June, because June is the full month when I got monetized. And yes guys, I will be doing this every month because many of you are interested how much I am making, or maybe you want to compare how much you could be able to make. And as you can see here guys, to make €34 it is starting from 24th. If we go into views, as you can see here, on 24th I got 4,000. This is average, on average 3,000, 4,000, 3 to 4,000 views per day. If you would want to make in couple of days, this is couple of days. So now let's go to full month statistics, so you will be able to see June, and July is not finished yet and it is not calculated, so I will not be showing you the July. But in June, as you can see, full months I made €249, which would be approximately 270 280 United States dollars. To make this money guys, 270 280 dollars, because most of you will be common with dollars rather with euro, I got 152,000 views and 2,800 hours watch time hours of videos guys. So this is if you want to calculate for yourself, but in general, if we go here into revenue at the very top, you will see that for this month RPM, which means that I was earning approximately €1.64 or about $2, $2.50 for every 1,000 views which I got on this channel. Every month at the end of the month I will be showing you how much I make for my previous months, because many of you are interested in this and many of you are asking me to show you how much I make per month guys. So yes, if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.